All right, this is Math Chat 25. I know in my last Math Chat video I said I wanted to start focusing on decimals a little bit more, but I recently came across this math resource that goes over all of the different math curriculum concepts that you learn as a fifth grader, and I thought this would be awesome for us to do while we wrap up our last month or so here with distant learning. Every Math Chat you are going to get a concept or get some problems in algebraic thinking, base 10 numbers, fractions, measurement and data, and geometry. Now, all of these categories here on the side are topics that you are taught during your math curriculum as an elementary student. So each one of these Math Chat videos is going to include concepts from each one of those, or problems from each one of those concepts. So it's going to be a more inclusive review for you. So I'm going to be typing my notes for you guys down here in the speaker portion. I'm hoping these show up for you when I share the document with you. But for algebraic thinking, it's going to have you start here solving some problems. And it's asking, well, it's what it's doing is it's asking you to go back to thinking about when we talked about this thing called order of operations. Now, order of operations is something I also called for you, or called PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, is how you solve a problem in order. So the first thing you are going to want to solve is everything in your parentheses. Then if you have exponents, you're going to want to solve with exponents. Then multiply, then divide, then addition and subtraction. So up here it's asking you just to make sure you remember to solve what's in the parentheses first, get that answer, and then solve anything outside of the parentheses. So right here I would do 6 minus 3 first before doing 2 plus 6. So 6 minus 3 is going to get me 3. 2 plus 3 is going to get me 5. So that means my overall answer would be 5 there. Okay. Down here in base 10 numbers, it's giving you 2 number stories. I'll help you out with the first one here. Mr. Fox purchased 76 bags of candy to make treat bags. Each bag contained 48 pieces of candy. How many pieces of candy did Mr. Fox purchase in all? So we know that he purchased 76 bags of candy. Each bag contained 48 pieces. So to solve that, I am going to have to do turtle head to multiply those two items, those two numbers, to figure out how much candy was in each bag. So I'm going to do 76 times 48, do that turtle head method, okay, and I'm going to draw my turtle head here in a different color. I'm going to go like this, okay. 8 times 6 is 48, carry that 4, 7 times 8 is 56, 56 plus 4 is going to get us 60, my 60 right there. Change my color for the next part of my turtle head. My turtle head's going to go this way now. I dropped that turtle egg. 4 times 6 is 24. Carry a 2. 4 times 7 is 28. Plus 2 is 30. I'm going to add all of that up now. I have 8, 4, 6, and 3. So there are 3,648 pieces of candy total. So I'm going to say, 3,468 pieces of candy total. Okay, again, base 10 operations is just working with decimals, division, multiplication. Down here, fractions. I'm going to have you guys solve these ones on your own because I've done a lot of fraction review for you recently. Right here where it says measurement and data, we need to convert measurement and data. 5 feet to inches. I will write this down here for you guys. 1 foot equals 12 inches. So if I have 5 feet and there are 12 inches in each foot, that means there are a total of 60 inches in 5 feet. I got that by multiplying 5 times 12. It's also going to want you guys to convert between yards and feet. And there are 3 feet. I'll do it this way. 1 yard equals 3 feet. Okay, that will help you guys convert these other problems here. Okay, down here it says circle all the shapes that are quadrilaterals, and to circle them on the computer, you are going to want to draw the circles to the answers. And there's a lot of these circles here, so you're just going to go like that and just keep drawing. Quadrilateral, I'm going to write down here for you that quad means 4. So that's going to be a big hint for you guys to hopefully identify that a quadrilateral is a 4-sided shape, like a quad, like a 4-wheeler or something like that. That's where that root word quad is. It's a Latin word. So hopefully that helps you guys out. It's a Latin root. Not a Latin word. Latin root, sorry. It's currently almost 11 o'clock at night when I'm recording this, so my brain isn't thinking clearly. All right, guys. Hopefully this will help you get a more comprehensive review of our 5th grade math material. If you have any questions on any of these, don't be afraid to message me, but I hope it gives you a better review. All right, take care and good luck.